Well, Mahindra is going electric in a big way, and it all starts with this platform right here. This is the InGlow by Mahindra, as you can see. It is the basis of their entire born electric range, and this is a modular platform for them to build their new range of electric SUVs. And as you can see, it's very futuristic. It's going to have a screen right across the entire front, end to end. And it can have a combination of either a front and a rear electric drive, or just a rear drive, or just a front drive, depending on what SUV their section they're going after. Remember the name, InGlow. You've got your integrated battery pack right down here. And before I get showing you a lot of the vehicles that they have on display from their born electric range, I just thought I'd start my video with what goes on underneath, and this is it. So it's extremely crowded here. It has been a jam-packed night, a very exciting evening at the Mahindra show, and this right here is one of their concepts. It's known as the BO5, part of their born electric range. And yes, there are a ton of influencers out here, so they will keep coming in my frame. And you can check it out. Very stylish, a sports coupe-like design, and this is built on that platform that I was showing you earlier. Based on the same platform, in fact, based on the BO5, is the BE Rally concept. Now this was actually the showstopper here, because this has never been seen before. It is something that Mahindra has done exclusively for this event, and it goes back to their roots of being a vehicle that's all about being off-road, all about being extremely stylish, very sharp looking, and yeah, it's built to deal with the rough stuff. So this is just the concept that's sort of broken cover here. It is the showstopper of the evening, and it is based on the BO5. And we don't know too much about powertrains, but what we do know about this particular model is that it is 4x4. It is something that's going to come out with all-wheel drive. Like I said, it's a jam-packed evening over here. Everybody wants a picture with it. Every influencer wants to stand next to it. This is undoubtedly the showstopper at the Mahindra show, and it sure looks good. I like the neon green color. I like the futuristic, sharp styling. And I'm going to move on to the next concept. But before I do that, let me give you a quick look at the rear, because there's not too many people getting back here. You can see the BE Rally, nice big chunky wheels. Everything about it screams futuristic design, and Mahindra is definitely going places with what they want to do with their SUV range for the future. We're talking about sustainable mobility, we're talking about style, and we're talking about Mahindra making a massive mark out here with their EV concepts. Over here, this is something that Mahindra did. In fact, the BO5 is also something that Mahindra showcased at their London premiere of these vehicles. But this is the XUVe9. Now, a lot of the XUV design elements have been carried forward into what is technically a very futuristic coupe-like design. If you remember the XUV500 Coupe, well, that was showcased at Auto Expo. You can see that some of that design has actually carried over to an electric vehicle here. Nice, massive wheels. This is something that's going to be a Mahindra standard. Big, huge wheels, and a very stylish looking coupe SUV. So as I make my way around to the rear, you can see a little bit more of the E9's design. There you go. Extremely stylish. You've got the copper Twin Peaks logo, which is going to be on all the Mahindra electric vehicles. And the XUVe9 is surely going to be something that's a rather spectacular offering when it does come out. All these vehicles are extremely exciting looking, and frankly, this little tidbit of information is very important. Pure electric comes home. Mahindra has finally brought these vehicles to showcase them here in India for the first time, and this is on the eve of the first Formula E race to be held. Formula E race to be held in India, in Hyderabad. So you can see the E9 is extremely stylish. Over here what we have is the XUVe9 special edition, the one-of-one. It's a collaboration between Mahindra and designer Rimzim Dadu. And this one is just a one-off. It's been done up with a lot of style and pizzazz, and it was actually auctioned, I believe, for about 1.07 crores, and Mahindra will match that amount. So this is a rather expensive XUVe9, if you may, and it sort of kicked off the entire electric evening. But obviously the XUVe9 finally on display here in India, that is something that is attracting a lot of attention, and it's probably going to be one of their first electrics to finally make it out into the country. Like I said, all of them are based on Mahindra's new global platform, and the BE Rally E, once again, I'll just give you a quick look. It's just such a stylish machine. You really can't get enough of it. And like I said, everybody, young and old, wants to pose with it. Nice, massive, chunky wheels, all-wheel drive. You know, the closer you get, you actually see that there's a whole bit of style elements to the surfaces that really brings out its sharp, edgy, sort of futuristic look. And it's just what I think everybody is really keen on getting a picture in. So I'm going to wrap this up over here. It's been quite the night, and Mahindra has obviously put on a grand show. So keep an eye out. Mahindra has a lot of tricks up their sleeve, a lot of electric products up their sleeve, and stuff that looks absolutely outstanding. This is something that is extremely stylish, very promising, and an electrifying evening like this is well deserved. So here you go, a first-hand look at all of what Mahindra is up to, what their lineup is going to be like sometime in the near future. And you also know that the story starts here. I hope you enjoyed this video. The voice you're hearing is me, Vikram Gore, and please do like, share, and subscribe. I do look forward to hearing what all of you have to say about Mahindra's latest unveil over here. Obviously, the crowd is sort of covering a lot of the cars, but do write in. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you have to say about Mahindra and their range of born electric products. Cheers.